Packages and modules. Most Go beginners think they're the same thing. They're not. A package is Go's fundamental unit of code organization. Every .go file begins with a package declaration, and all files in the same directory must share the same package name. Those files compile together as a single unit and can freely access each other's unexported identifiers. Think of a package as one focused component. Package FMT for formatting, package HTTP for web, package main as your entry point. A module is Go's unit of versioning and distribution, defined by a go.mod file in your project root. That file declares the module path, for example github.com/myname/calc, along with the required Go version and all external dependencies. The module represents your entire project as a single versioned artifact that the Go toolchain can build, test, and publish. Here's the key relationship. One module contains many packages, but each package belongs to exactly one module. Your module path serves as the import prefix for all its packages. So a math subfolder becomes github.com/myname/calc/math. This replaced Go's old GOPATH system when modules launched in version 1.11. A package is Go files that compile together. A module is a version collection of packages tracked by go.mod. Follow for more Go interview tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.